All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.
Well, hi everybody, it's Gretchen again with another installment for Studio G. I thought I'd come back to the carpet and actually show you when I actually installed it this time. Not just laid it out, but actually did the installation. So join me for a little bit of staple gun fun. Hot outside, although the temperature is much lower than it has been by about 15 degrees. So it's only like 85 instead of 100. But been at it since this morning. Those pieces require some measurement and then that crazy cutting, which I'm going to save for the next push. Yes. When I'm not so tired and less likely to make a mistake. Yes. Yay. Well, that was that. It was an opportunity to, I tell you, this little guy was invaluable. Man, but the carpet was down. And that was the end of my carpet time, which, well, except for that one little squares I had to keep, couldn't put those in, those one little along the edge, I had to keep them out so we knew where the studs were when we put in the benches, but the benches will come after the walls and after the walls, before the ceiling, though. So for now, that's it for this installment of Studio G. Thanks for being here. And until next time, everybody, keep looking for the beauty hidden in plain sight. It's all around you. But you know the first place you'll find it is when you go look in the mirror. And thanks so much for joining me on this journey.
All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.